Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a hardcore adventure single that blends serious off-road ability with long-distance potential. The new 2020 KTM 690 Enduro R, known for its lightweight performance, powerful single-cylinder engine, and race-inspired engineering, the 690 Enduro R has become a benchmark in the dual sport world. For 2026, KTM sharpens this machine even further. Let's take a closer look. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R features aggressive styling that reflects its rally and enduro heritage. Sharp body panels, a slim profile, and KTM's signature orange accents give it a purposeful and modern look. Improved ergonomics allow riders to move freely during technical riding, while the tall stance and minimalist design underline its serious off-road intent. It looks ready for deserts, mountains, and everything in between. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 690 Enduro R is KTM's powerful 693C single-cylinder engine, delivering strong torque and impressive top-end performance. The engine is refined for smoother throttle response and better control, making it more versatile for both trail riding and highway stretches. A lightweight chassis and high-quality suspension provide excellent stability, while advanced traction management helps maintain grip across challenging terrain. Safety and technology. KTM equips the 690 Enduro R with modern rider aids that enhance control without dulling the riding experience. Advanced electronics, including selectable ride modes and refined ABS settings, offer confidence on mixed surfaces. High-performance brakes and upgraded suspension. Tuning further improves safety and rider feedback in demanding conditions. Conclusion. The new 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R continues to set the standard for high-performance dual-sport motorcycles. With its powerful engine, lightweight design, and smart technology, it's built for riders who want true off-road capability without sacrificing versatility. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more bike news, reviews, and first looks at machines made to conquer any terrain.